Let's go.
Let's go. Oh. Look at the beach. Oh, the beach.
My hat. The other one looks better.
This is nuts.
Better waves. We're here.
We're out here in Southern California. Oh, we're in Northern, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're in Northern California, sorry. I'm gonna lay down right here. Oh crap. Oh no. She's about to eat hell sand.
Hey, ready for front flip, ready?
There you go.
You want me to do a front flip?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna land it.
Just try, it'd be funny. Do it, come on.
I'm gonna land on my back for sure.
Do it for the vlog.
I'm gonna hurt my back. I got your house, Sandy.
It's my mother taking forever.
Hurry up!
Have you heard of running?
Janelle, put Janelle down. Janelle, put Janelle down. Put Janelle down. Janelle, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Look at her run.
Hey, Father. Janelle, come here. Come here, Janelle. Janelle, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Yeah, buddy.
Where's your dad?
This is my mother.
Where's your Michael.
Huh?
Yeet. I just see it.
Is it?
Yeet, yeah.
Where's Richard at? Ah! The sand feels great.
I know. I need to go pee.
Yeah. Ooh, that's cold down there. Where's the water? Oh, wait. Just kidding. I want to go over there. Let's go over there.
Where? Hey, let's go over there. Right there.
Well,
Right
see,
there. Where we gonna go?
because we got killer waves over there, bro. We can totally. I don't even know.
Hey, bring your good stuff.
Hi, knuckle.
You want me to vlog?
I got this, fam. You want to take that sippy cup?
Nope.
Jeez. Hey, take your sippy cup with sand in it.
Where are we gonna sit down?
Over there. Oh, follow me.
Where?
Over there. There's like 2 people over there.
Whoa. What? No. Eat ya. What? She can walk.
You take forever. We should probably climb that hill later.
That's fine. I'll just do it right now.
Do a front flip off. Do it. Do it.
Right, all this other stuff. Gonna be on other stuff.
I don't like this hat. Wait, I gotta grab all this stuff. I cannot carry things, Kay. Wait.
Holy crap, this is hot man.
Is it really?
Yeah, are you ready?
No.
I'll go get him.
Okay.
Get a better one.
I'll get a better angle.
Oh, that hurt.
Jeez. That
Oh,
looks like it hurt.
gee. We're fine. On the edge.
Huh?
We're sitting on the edge of the world. Where?
Are we out of the woods yet? Are we out of the woods yet? Are we out? No, we gotta go over there. See those honeys over there?
Huh? What?
See those women? I see. Oh, I see man and women. I don't like that. We can go right here.
Where?
Spot right here by the beach.
I'm gonna go pee on the ocean.
Yep. That's the way to do it.
I'm gonna go pee on the ocean.
Go here, Tangy. Let's get in the water, dude. Oh! Oh shit, that's cold. Ow! Lit. Lit. Fail to touch my shit. Oh, fuck. Okay. I don't want to drop this. Oh, no. I got wet on my shorts. Oh, no. Not my shorts. Ah! Oh, my God. The water is so fucking nice here. Yeet. Okay, I can get used to this water. Dang. I'm about to move here, fellas. Jesus balls. I did not want to get this wet. I did not plan on this. Oh. Look at that shadow. Squad. That's good. That's a good profile pic.
Nelly, take off your slipper. Nelly.
Nelly, take the zipper.
Nelly, take off your slipper. She's having a hard time.
Oh, hey, Richard. Say hi to the camera.
Oh, it's a fish.
You're going on YouTube, buddy.
Oh, wait. Me too. Let him in here.
Yeah, I know he's inhaling opposite goodness. I know. I already got wet. Look at my shorts. Ay, malandika. What's up, dude?
You should do the kissing break.
No, what the hell?
You should.
Maybe later. I don't do that yet. I'm a starter, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, ready? Yeet. Yeah.
You think I can backflip down this whole thing?
Hey, let me get up.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna. Ah! Dude, look at this dog. Bella's going nuts. Holy cow. I'm gonna hope. Let's go up here and see if there's a bathroom. We're in the mountains. Oh my God, the sand's actually pretty freaking hot. I love it. Ooh, look at my view. Ooh. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi. Oh.
Say hi to YouTube. There's no bathroom here. I'm just kidding. Take a picture of me taking a picture of you. Come on. Janelle. Come on, Janelle. You have to be there, you nasty. Look at this dude pissing right here.
No, boy. Let's go.
If I fall, I'm gonna be mad. Come on, Janelle. God, I can't go this view. Damn. How about from this angle? Just kidding. There's cars there. I feel awkward. I'm sliding down the slide. Yay! Whee! Nigga, we made it. Really? Hey, Dad! Come on! Come on! Take my hand, werewolf. Go away from the bad things. Yeah. Man, I am such a good singer. This is cool.
No. Because he's like, well, I'm a tourist, so I'm like.
Is it better over there?
No, it's not as cold.
Oh. Wow. Look at, you know, it looks a lot dumber in the camera angle, the like eyeball angle. What's over there, huh? I don't know. I want to go find out. Oh, look at those rocks. We should go to those rocks in a minute.
Me and you?
Yeah.
1v1?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Right now?
Let's go outside.
Life's a beach. I'm just playing in the sand. Ooh, shit. You going over there now? Ah! I don't know what I'm doing. Hey, was that a good accent? Oh no! Ah! Come on, Bella, get in the water. Are you peeing? You're getting on YouTube peeing, bruh. Whee! Oh no! Look at this sand. Oh shit! Ah! Are we going over there?
Oh, crap, I'm dying.
Let's go over there.
Yeah.
Oh no! Hello. Oh man.
Hey, we should prank people that you're like. We should prank people that you're like a million subscriber YouTuber. Say hello to you. Say hello to you.
No, I'm not gonna
I
prank
didn't
people
want to
yet.
get wet right now, or.
I'm not gonna do pranks with them yet.
I didn't want to get wet.
It's lit here in California. Can't get over it. Yeah. That's how you do it.
Do they know where
My feet are cold as hell.
Do they know where you truly live?
Yeah, that truly live I know from Ozark, Missouri. Or Springfield, Missouri, whichever one.
Hey. Yeah.
Shit.
We're almost there.
We're almost there. We're almost to the rocks.
Wow. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Nope. Oh. That water's cold. It's freezing. Go to the lake.
Sure. Mushy feet. Oh my gosh, this sand is really mushy.
Look at our footprint.
Oh!
I don't know
I
if
didn't
that
plan
way.
to get this wet.
Well, I didn't plan to get this wet right now.
Agreed. Look at my shorts now. Look at me. Oh my gosh.
Yay! Oh, God, let's get the crap out of me.
It's kicking.
Fight me, drop! Fight me! Let's go! Oh,
Dude! Are you kidding me? You got camera or water? Ouch. Ow. Ow. Ah, these rocks are not good barefoot. Ow. 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 Okay. Ow! I gotta sit down. I fell. I fell. Okay.
I'm sorry, Michael.
Ow. Man,
You're smart, and I'm on.
this is crazy. Ouch.
Oh, shoot! That bridging hurts.
What are you doing?
I thought you were gonna throw something at me. Then let's get.
I'm wet. What's over there? What's the difference between... Let's go down here. Ouch. I should have brought my shoes. Oh, this is dope. What? Where'd you go? Okay, I'm gonna go explore, or whatever. You know, I don't know why I'm walking on rocks and there's sand right over there. I'm gonna go do that. I don't know, this is kind of more fun. What? Come here. This is really cool shadow. I like the shadow. We walked from over there. We walked from right there. That's my mother. Right there. All the way around this. Look at him running towards me. Let's go on these rocks. Other ones. Let's catch some hermit crabs. Ouch. Are there hermit crabs here? Is that a thing? Yes. What? That hurts? You need a pansy. Oh, look at this rock. Oh, there's my new rock. His name's Roger. Look at Roger's rock. Skip it. I got one. Woo! Hope I see some otters. That'd be sweet. Oh shit, that's really close. You're gonna show me how a pro does it. I want to go to that top rock right there.
Hey, Michael.
I'm gonna go right there.
Michael.
We got one. Let's go to that big rock over there.
I'm not standing on the rock.
You go to the sand thing. I ain't gonna see a damn snake. Now I'm gonna freak out. There's sand right here. Oh, look at this flower. Whoa! Is that even, oh, it's not even attached to the ground. Goodbye. How do I get to that rock? Oh. Ooh. This is really cool. Is this like that chalk rock? Is that chalk rock stuff? Let me try it out. Oh, it does not. Oops. Oh my god. Oh. A rattlesnake comes up here and jumps my ass. I'm gonna be pissed. Oh god. We gotta get right there. We are right here.
Why am I doing this?
You don't have to do this. I don't want you to fall and bust your a-hole. How do I... Uh-oh. Ninja Pro. We gotta get to that rock right there. Don't try this at home. Oh god, I'm scared. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Wait! Wait. Oh, goodbye. Oh my gosh, this is hella sketchy, actually. Oh my god, we're about to make it.